Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. General Bipin Rawat's funeral updates bring LS leader laid to rest with full military honors. Home Minister Amit Shah on Friday paid his last respect to the late Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and his wife Madhulika Rawat at the family residence in Delhi. The Rawats were killed along with 11 others in the helicopter crash in Tamil Nadu's Coonoor on Wednesday. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, NSA Ajit Doval and the three services chief paid tributes to the brigadier LS leader before the cremation of his mortal remains in the morning. Group Captain Varun Singh, who survived the crash, is presently undergoing treatment for 45% burn injuries. General Bipin Rawat's mortal remains, along with those of his wife, have been moved to his Delhi residence. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has paid tribute being LS leader at Borough Square, Delhi Cant. The three services chiefs, Army Chief General M.M. Narawane, Navy Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar, and IAF Chief Marshal Dr. Chaudhary paid tributes to Brigadier LS leader at Borough Square, Delhi Cant. NC Ajit Doval too pays his tribute. It's okay to be mediocre. Battling for life, Group Captain Varun Singh's message for school students. Group Captain Varun Singh, the lone survivor of the Indian Air Force chopper crash in Tamil Nadu's Coonoor, is battling for his life. A few months ago, Group Captain Varun Singh was confronted with a gallantry award following which he sent in expecting a message to the students of his school. The Air Force officer who was on board and the ill-fated helicopter with Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat is the only one who has survived among the 14 who were on the flight. However, his condition remains critical. In August, Group Captain Varun Singh was confirmed with the Shaurya Chakra for everything of possible mid-air accident after his Tejas light combat aircraft suffered a major technical glitch last year on September 18. He wrote an inspiring letter to the principal of his alma mater, Army Public School in Chandimardi, reflecting on his life as a student. It is okay to be mediocre. Not everyone will excel at school and not everyone will be able to score in the ninth. If you do, it's an amazing achievement and must be applauded. Group Captain Varun Singh wrote in the letter. Group Captain Varun Singh further said, if that doesn't happen to think that you are a mean. Katrina Kaif wore stunning customized calibras with special messages. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal shared first pictures from their wedding. On social media on Thursday, Vicky and Katrina wedding was an intimate affair in the Rajasthan, which was attended by the couple's close friends and family members. For her wedding debut, Katrina and Vicky opted to wear outfits designed by the ex-fashion designer Sabyasachi Mukherjee. Even their wedding jewelry was from Sabyasachi's heritage collection. Just little quaint, essential Indian bride Katrina Kaif opted for a red bridal outfit. She paired the lehenga with the bespoke bridal jewelry. In case you missed, the actress was also spotted flaunting red churda with calories on her wedding. Calorie is a silver or gold embellished umbrella shaped dangling ornament that is attached to the bride's chura, a set of traditional white and red colored bangles worn on each arm. Rahul shared a video montage on his Instagram handle where he took us through the making of the actress gold Kaliras. It's been a memorable journey with you. At the rate Anaitash of the Jania, and thank you Mayuri Venkar for coordinating it so well. Last minute congratulations newlyweds Art the Katrina Kaif, Edward Vicky Kaushal 09. The video caption read: Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal got married at 6 centers of Port Varwara in Savai Madhopur on December 9. The couple jetted off to Jaipur on December 6 with their respective families. The wedding festive commenced on December 7 with the Mehndi ceremony.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.